Happy Republic Day to all. Hello everyone, I'm Pratiksha, GATE All India rank 48 and 83. Today's video is very special because Republic Day teaches us something very relevant for our GATE preparation. Discipline over motivation. In this video, I'll be sharing two short stories through which it will be very clear how small, consistent efforts can give us big results, especially during final phase of our preparation. This phase is different from rest of the journey. You have already completed most of your syllabus, but there is more pressure, doubts feel bigger, and motivation keeps fluctuating. Republic Day reminds us exactly this thing that nation doesn't work on motivation of few people every day. It works on discipline and consistent systems which work every single day. Your preparation needs same mindset right now. Let me share the first story. Student A and student B. Student A feels very motivated one night. He sits for whole night, he practices all the questions and sleep very satisfied feeling he has completed and given his best that day. Similarly, student B follows fixed routine. He stops studying at fixed time, sleep properly and wake up fresh the very next day. Now, since student A has been awake throughout the night, he feels tired the very next day. He is impatient and he starts making silly mistake in his practice test. Whereas student B, who slept at right time, who woke up fresh, feels very normal, focused and solve questions very calmly. Now, both students are very sincere. Both students have put efforts. But the difference here is not about intelligence. The difference here was about believing his plan, believing consistency, and the difference was sole about discipline. This was true in my case as well. In my GATE exam, the biggest improvement in my final phase did not come from studying more. It came by following the basics, by trusting the basics. Fixed sleeping routine, clean food, limited distraction, and practicing at exact timings. Now let me share a second story. This story is from examination hall. Two students are sitting in GATE exam. Student A sees the question. He feels panic. He rushes, he notes down question incorrectly and apply formula incorrectly. Whereas student B sees the question, he pauses for a few seconds. He read the question very calmly, understand what is being asked and then apply the formula correctly. Here knowledge was same, but outcome was different. The difference is not luck. The difference is about mental discipline under pressure. And this is exactly what the final phase is all about. At this stage, your job is not keep changing your strategies every day. Your job is to stay consistent and calm. New timetable, new strategy every day. This will increase your anxiety. Discipline means sticking to what you already know works for you, even when confidence feels low. So if you are in your final phase right now, ask yourself few simple questions. Am I sleeping on time? Am I revising calmly instead of panicking? Am I practicing in exam like condition? Am I protecting my mental space from unnecessary comparisons? And if answer is yes, trust me, you are doing right enough. You are on the right path. And on this Republic Day, promise yourself that you will not fall prey to your emotions. You will not study harder out of fear. Promise yourself that you will be disciplined irrespective of what your mind says. Because discipline makes pressure manageable and calm mind always performs better. With this note, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Stay calm, stay consistent and keep pushing your limits. See you in the next video.